Safety is your responsibility in the shop, as is safety in my shop is my responsibility. So please remember that anytime that you're working with power tools. And when you buy a new power tool, don't discard that manual. Please read, understand, and follow all the instructions in that. And also remember, there's nothing more important than safety glasses. Don't forget the hearing protection. Very important. You got to protect the one body that you have. Now, let's get started with today's project. For the last couple of days, I've been working on this chest of drawers, and it's now time to put the cove molding on, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, and I don't really need to do this, but I'm going to show you as an example. We're going to put this up in position as it goes, and we're going to mark the bottom of this, and it can be long. We're going to mark right here. That's where I want it, and it's going to be cut in that direction. Now let's go over to the table saw. Here at the table saw, I have my 45-degree sled set up, and I put my cove molding down in position, and I have my measurement that I want and the direction of the cut. So I line that up where I want to, and then for the noise sake, I'm going to turn the saw on and make the first cut. Now over here, we're going to put the molding back up here and line it up exactly where it needs to be on the end. And I'll come over here to the other end and do the exact same thing. I'll mark the cut line and the direction of the cut. So back to the table saw. Now with my piece cut to length, I'm going to go ahead and put it in position and check it with the other piece that I had cut earlier and check out the miter. And that corner looks excellent. So this way I can go ahead and shoot it into place. Okay, now with everything cut and verified, we're going to go ahead and put our pieces in place and start nailing them in. So I'm going to put this back up here. We'll get everything lined up so we have a nice tight miter. There we go. And then I'm going to use a pin nailer to secure this in place. Then doing the same thing across the front. And just so you know, I am going to add some additional pins in a moment off camera. Alright, with that right in place, I can go ahead and shoot this in place. Okay. Now all that's left is to do the other end. Now the last step is to go ahead and put this last corner on. And one of the things that I did on the other two pieces that I did off camera, put glue on these as well. So the pin nails hold it while the glue sets, and then you'll have a permanent bond. So here we go. We'll make that last piece. Alright, we'll slide it into position. Make sure that the miter looks good. And we'll nail it in place. And that's how easy it is to install the cove molding.